Bloom's taxonomy outlines the process of learning. So now that you understand the four types of learning and your learning style, let's get to know the process of learning. Education psychologist Benjamin Bloom and his colleagues published a framework for categorizing educational goals. This framework, called Bloom's taxonomy, has been applied for decades to kindergarten to 12th grade, which is high school. Teachers and college professors use this in their lectures, right? So understanding Bloom's process of learning will help you take control of how you learn new skills. Bloom's taxonomy has the following 6 steps or parts to it: remembering, understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluating, and creating. So remembering has to do with retrieving and recognizing information and knowledge. Understanding means taking, meaning from something that's written or verbally told to you. Applying means being able to apply what you've remembered and understand it to a process. Analyzing means you're able to break down the big picture into smaller parts. Evaluating means that you're able to make judgment based on the criteria and information that's presented. And creating means you're able to actually put the elements all together to have a point of view on whatever the topic is. So these steps blend together to help you learn and master new skills, right? So one of the easiest ways I've seen actually on the internet to actually sort of remember this is outlined below, right here. And I just wrote it down real quick for you to remember. So before you can understand a concept, you must remember it. To apply a concept, you must first understand it. In order to evaluate a concept, you must have the ability to analyze it. And to create an accurate conclusion, you have to be able to evaluate it, right? So that's basically a summary of how it all works together to help you learn. And that's called Bloom's taxonomy.